What's poppin', pepperonis? It's your boy Dr. Radical. I like to enjoy life one slice at a time, and I hope you do too. Today we're going to be unboxing the Keychron Q11, which is a 75% split layout board, and as you'll see during the opening, it's split right down the middle to give you two halves of a full keyboard. This thing is an absolute unit, and it's very eye-catching. Retail starting price for the fully assembled version is around $205 US. However, if you don't need switches or keycaps, it's going to float around $180 US. The board does come with everything you see in the box here. I personally chose the Gateron G Pro red switches, but you can also choose the Gateron G Pro brown switches. Since it is a 75% layout keyboard, it does come with all the alphanumerics and functional keys that you may need. However, as you can see here, we've got dual rotary encoder knobs and 5 macro keys on the left-hand side. One of the first things that I really noticed about my typing experience is that I expected the B key and the N key to be on the same sides of the keyboard. That may be my typing preference, but it's entirely up to you. I mean, you can also just go into QMK or VIA, whichever software is your preference, and you can rebind the keys however you'd like. Since this is a hot swap keyboard, it comes with south-facing RGB and 3-pin hot swap compatibility. Now, over the next 6 months, this will be my daily driver. I will only be using this keyboard for productivity and gaming needs. So in the next 6 months, I will touch base and let you know how my overall experience goes. This was a really fun unboxing experience for me, and just looking at it sitting on my desk was like, wow, this thing's fucking sick. So I hope you enjoyed it as much as I loved making it. And until the next video, stay tuned and stay rad.